In this video, I'll show you how to tie a basic fisherman's knot. Pass the line through the eye of the hook and double it back on itself. I like to hold the hook and twist the line around the other line like that. Then you'll notice a loop at the bottom that you've made. Pass the line through that loop and then back through the loop that makes. I'll pass it through and pull it tight. Then get it wet and pull. Pull it tight and then clip the tag in. Should look like this. That's your basic fisherman's knot.
If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to us on YouTube and Facebook.